Read the next file. Height. Okay, inside the file till HR we can keep same. Till HR will remain same. We should close the body tag and we should close the HTML tag. Okay, hope ready. Come down below. Now open a table. Close the table. This table we can add a line equal to center, and then cell padding equal to 10. Next, after that, we can write a caption. Under the caption, we can add there. We can add there one H2 or maybe H1. We can keep inside not login inquiry. ENQUIRY inquiry. Under inquiry, we can add here one TR again. We'll add one TH. And TH better you can convert into TD. 1 TD, 2 TD in first TR. In second TR, if only 1 TD. Okay. Third TR also 1 TD. Fourth TR also 1 TD. Okay. So as per the structure, you can see the first table. One table we have for the navigation. Second table we have for the form. Inside the second table, the first TR having the 2 TD. Second have 1 TD, third have 1 TD, fourth also have only 1 TD. So in this table, there is some differences are there. Column count mismatch is happening. One place we have double column, another place only one column. Here also one column, here also one column, right? So in this example, you will apply a property called row span. Let me guide you. Suppose for the first TR, second TD, if we apply called the row span equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Row span equal to 4. Then what will happen? How many row it will cover? 4 rows. One is the current row, second row, third row, and fourth row. If I create the fifth number TR, so in the fifth number TR, how many TDs would be there? Hmm? Call span how many? Row span 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 is over. Now this is the extra. So here there should be place of 2 TD, not 1 TD. So we can write here call span, or we can write 2 TD. Right? 2 TD. 1 TD will take the first one. Second TD, first TR will take the place till here. Last TR, that is the TR number 5. The TR number 5 must follow the double column. Why? Because TR number 1 is also following the double column. Yes, row span is 4. Why? Because in the first TR we have a TH that need to cover the space of second TR also, third TR also, as well as fourth TR also. Because of that, we are given the fourth. Now let's go and create the text box. Here we can write one button called submit. We can write one more button below called reset. Right till here first. Last year add 2 button. Remaining all will add one by one. Go to the first year now. Create one text box. Input type equal to text, and in the second TD create a text area. Text area open close. Organized here. Ready? So in the second one, you can run this. See what is happening. Look like this. Little here there. No need to worry. Just go there in the second TD. Add one text box. Here also add one text box. Here also add one text box. Hope look like this. Now we can increase the height of text area. We can go here. We can write rows equal to 10. It will increase the height of text area. Rows equal to 10. Once you add, the height will get increased. Now see, two buttons are coming on very huge distance. So we have another concept call span. Remember, you can use th call span equal to 2. And in one th only, in one th add both the buttons. So both will appear in the middle. 'Ready? Now button is coming in the center. Something like this. Please check and let me know. See, in the first row, we have double column. In that, one TD is covering 4 rows. Second row only one, third row one, fourth row one, fifth row also how many? In the fifth one, there should not be only one, there should be call span 2. Okay, 2 we have written, but since the structure was going here, there, we converted into one th and there we added everything. One person. Instead of writing all from beginning to last, start from beginning only. First complete the first TR, then complete the second TR, then third TR, fourth TR, fifth TR. That's all. Okay, then we can go for next file. Next file should be something like this. That little effort you are going to keep from your side. Even I will also write the code, but your 5 minutes is required. Suppose in the first row, 2 column. First row, 2 column. 2 column. Second row, only 1 column. Is a text box, not text area. Not the text area. Third row, 1. Fourth row, third row, something like this. 2 text box. Fifth row, okay, so let's do till here only. Then in the last, one button called register button. Register button. Register button. Here on the top also a register link. So this look like possible. In first row, how many TD? 2 TD. In second row, only 1 TD. If 1 TD, then call span how much? 2. And then you have to increase the width of text box. So how to increase the width of text box? Using size property. Size property will help you to increase the width. Third row again, how many column? 2 column. Text box individual. Fourth row, just now we created a button, no? 1 TR call span 2, and in that 1 TH and button. Okay, try. Look like possible. No, yes, no. Right. This is the trial one. Even I will also write. You need to write first. I will also write. You can compare it. But first write. Take 5-10 minute time. You should start writing the code. That is the main point. Hmm? Another file, definitely. This file. Which file? This one. 6. 5 till 5 we have created. You are going to create the 6. Till HR you need to copy. Create the next file called 6.html, and in that you will try. Let me also follow you. So this is the 6.html. 6.html, or not 6, form 6. Form 6. Form 6.html. What is I have to close? Next HTML I have to close. Come inside and create a table and follow this one. What I have done is, this much we can take from previous file. This much we can take from the previous file. And here after HR you need to replace the content. After HR you need to open the table. See this is from the previous file only. From previous file till HR we have taken. This much we have taken. We added here. Table close. Now from here onwards you need to continue with this assignment. So first please take this HTML code from previous file. Take the HTML code from previous file. Okay, so hope it can till here. Now look at the photo of this assignment. Ready? Okay. Let me write as well. So I will create a table here, and in this table we can write here align as center. Cell padding I can use 10 or 15, anything. Caption X2 register. TR double TD. One TD, one text box. Input type equal to text. One more TD. Next, after that, one TR with how many TD? One TD. And call span. Definitely call span 2. Inside that, one text box. Input type equal to text. And size equal to how much? Okay, maybe 50, 49, 50 will work. Next, another one. That's all. This is the task. First row double column, last row also double column, middle row only one column. It will take the place. Now apply the placeholder. First name, last name, email, password, confirm password. First one is first name. Placeholder equal to first name. First name. Second one is last name. Third one is email ID. Third one is email ID. Email ID. Next one is password. Next one is repassword. Repassword. Last one button is required. TH call span equal to 2. Button register. So in the first row 2th, last row also 2th, middle row only one th, only one td. But call span how much? 2. So it should take the place of double column. Like this. We'll wait for everyone reply. Try writing sequentially slowly. Okay. Now next one more example I will ask you to create. Let's try this first. One more basic example, similar related to college span, road span. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then let's go ahead and create another file. What will be 7.html? 7.html. Anyone not running or not able to do or any problem? Okay. Then create next file. Till HR we can copy again. Till HR you copy, paste in the next file. Give 7. Close the body. Close the HTML as well. Save it. Form 7. Form 7.html. Right now you will follow the photo again. Let me go here. There should be first one heading on the top. Call contact us. But in this contact us, this heading you will convert into different color. Blue color, font size will be big size. Okay. Next, after that, one text box. The text box color you can't change. This assume like this. Big size. Okay. Text box is big size. Here also big size text box. You can give 60 size. You can give 60 size. So all three look similar. And after that, there should be a big this one. Yes. Text area. And everywhere there will be placeholder. You will have a button here. All submit. SUBMIT submit. Just like this. The text box should be big box. Text box should be big box. Calls will increase the width. Rows will increase the height. Once you complete, ping me. Let me know yes, no. Two-person is ready. Okay, cool. Natarajan, no reply. Ashok Kumar, no reply. Next, few people are active. Very good, active. Few people are not active. Say something. Yes, no. Not working. I will guide you. Till where you are lacking. Where you are lacking. That point you can guide me. I will help you out. Okay. Okay. I will also write here. Let's compare. Table open close. Table will have caption. Align as a center. Cell padding 10. Caption. What is that? Contact us. Contact us. But you can see font, it should be in blue color. Font color equal to blue. font color equal to blue. Now tr th. You can see it's covering the full width without any label. Input type equal to text. Size equal to how much you have given? 40, 50? How much? 40, 50. Okay. Placeholder have you given? What people should enter? Else some user will enter the name and some user will enter the mobile number. So placeholder is required. Placeholder is ready. One more place. Next, let it be email. Email. Next place. Email. Next place. Write a tr. Th. Th. Another text box inside again. Pin code. Next one, address. tr. Th. Text area. Open close. False equal to false is nothing but columns. Column width you can keep 40. Rows also keep something 78. Placeholder equal to address. Placeholder equal to address. Write it here. Okay, check now. 7 number page, how that look? Look like this. Equal you can give. If you are given 60 means give everywhere 60 only. If you give input type equal to number, that will not increase. Input type equal to number will not work with size property. Coming down, one more tr and th. Inside that, one button call register, something send message, send a message. Send a message. Okay, so these all pages are ready. This font is looking very small because I have not given the property called size. Size equal to 7 is the maximum, 1 is the minimum.
The usage of text in the paper, if we write down the width of the text we have
Text area.
into the input. The input text is text. Instead of that, we input numbers. The text area will become smaller.
Text box will become small. Size property will not work there.
For the
Number. For number type, size property will not work. So using CSS, we can change the width and then we can increase the width. Okay, coming look like this. Hope similar for all. Now this all input pages we have to merge with the frame set. Okay, frame set is the output tag and this is called input tag. We'll merge together and you will not have to copy paste and create the navigation many times. Navigation you are doing copy paste as of now. So there we will not have to copy paste. We can write once and use anywhere. And target we can set. Click here, the page should come here only. Okay, that is the next example. So you will create a folder called HTML project. Create folder HTML project. Will work on HTML project folder. Okay. So HTML project folder is ready. Under the HTML project folder, you will create the next file. Folder name is HTML project, and our next file will be under the HTML project folder. Create a file, header.html. In which folder? HTML project folder. Header.html. In that header.html, this link, or we can write, no problem at all. We can write here HTML body bg color pink. Come down, open a table. This table should be aligned in center. Cell padding 1012. TR TH A REF home.html. Okay, we have to use a property here called target. Leave as of now target. I will guide on that. Okay, we can keep my home. Home will be as a my home. Ready? Now let's go. Add one more. Called profile. My profile. Next one more. Edit profile. Edit profile. Next, contact. My contact. My contact. Gallery. 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 My gallery. These all are in a header file. Okay. Now check now how this page look. Background will be pink color. This look like this. Happening. Header is ready. Now we can create more white footer. Footer. Footer.html. Write HTML. Body. BG color green. Okay, so I came to the footer inner. Please check once. Header is ready. Come to the footer part. After file, we can go and we can write here one br 2 times br. And in a p tag, align center. Font tag, color equal to white, size equal to 5. We can write there call HTML frame set. Example. This is under the footer section. Background will come in which color? Green color, and text will be white color. This is in footer. One okay. One BR will be okay. Keep one BR. Right. Next, after this, now create a next file that is called index.html. Oh, footer is ready for all. Next file will be called index.html as a main file. Index.html as a main file. HTML we can start here. Body we can follow. Inside the body is not required here. Okay. Because you have to use the frame set here. Frame set open close. Rows equal to first 10%, 70%, 30%. Border equal to 0. ROWS. Come again. 20 will come here. Frame set Frame set, no, it will come as a frame. Frame src, first call header dot html, header dot html. Second is called footer, and in between you have called home. Okay, header, home, and footer. So header and home is exist, footer is not exist. Save now. Run this file, index. Check now. Hope this file is running. Header on the top, footer in the last, and welcome is in between. File is not exist. I will increase to 12%, the middle one. Last one I'll keep as 18%. Okay. 12 and 18. So it will look something more spacious, the upper portion. Please check once. Ready? Something like this. Now next class we will sit and then we will create the home file, and when we click on upper links, the content will change under the middle portion. So before clicking on upper link, we will understand the target property. What is the target? How it works? Create separate two file. We'll click. We'll see new blank. Okay, self 6-7 types we have. After understanding that, we'll come to this and then we'll use the target equal to user defined. We will create our own target. We'll click here. Page will load here without refreshing. Previous till today, that example we have created, you can see when you click on the link, it was going to the next page, next page, next page. Now it will not go to the next page. It will remain always on index, and here content will get changed. The one feature was how to divide the page into multiple blocks, frame set. Another feature will be without refreshing the page, how to load the content. Okay, one call I coming. Thank you. See, nowadays, people can do fraud up to what level you will not understand. Okay.